Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Coralie and today I present to you this very pretty orange, yellow, a little bit of a red tint, low-key kind of sunset eye. Like, I'm not sure how to explain it, but as you can tell, I've been loving the half circle cut crease, so where you cut the crease all around. And I did something different where I used yellows and oranges in my crease, and then I filled the little half circle with a gradient going from yellow to dark red, but I did it horizontal instead of I did it vertical. Sorry, instead of like horizontal. Instead of going from like lighter to darker, I went from lighter to darker. And we went with glossy orange lip. If you can see this in real life, it looks like I just ate like orange candy. It's very glossy, it's darker in the inner rim, it's lighter on the outer. I've been loving this type of glossy lip. It's very minimal, it doesn't distract you from the eyes, which is great. I'm also wearing very fluttery lashes instead of dramatic lashes, and yeah, I absolutely love this look. I feel like it's super, not simple, but it's super soft, yet it's very effective. I'm sorry, there was just like a pile of snow that fell from I don't know where, and I just saw it in front of my window. I apologize for my behavior, but yeah, it's very simple, soft, but effective. And like when someone sees you with this, they're gonna be like, who is this golden goddess? It's very simple, it's very soft, there's not much going on. Oh my god, I forgot bottom mascara. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, sorry for that little inconvenience. I was not prepared. But yeah, if you want to learn how to achieve this look, then please, by all means, just keep on watching. I'm going to start as usual with my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Concealer. I'm going to put it all over my eyes. By the way, you guys, I'm like speaking really low because I'm losing my voice because I'm sick. So please don't mind me. But yeah, we're going to spread the concealer and we're not going to dry it. We're not going to set it with powder. And I'm also going to put my LA Girl Concealer on my inner corner to cancel out the darkness I have there because, again, I'm in college, I don't sleep. So from the Morphe 35B, we're going to take the yellow shade, we're going to pack it on the crease, and then we're going to go in with a big fluffy brush and just blend it all out. When we have that yellow laid down from the same palette, I'm going to take this orange that's like it's a very yellow orange kind of color, and we're going to go a little deeper into the crease with it, and then we're going to blend it again with the fluffy brush. We just want to make sure that there's a smooth transition between every shade, because you know that's just not pretty if there's not a good transition. From my Morphe 35O, now I'm going to take this orange, which is more of a deeper pumpkin orange. Yeah, that's the right way to describe it. And we're gonna go the same place we put the previous orange, just to make it a little darker and more pumpkin-y. Now I'm gonna take the red from this palette, which is a little deeper and a little more on the subdued side instead of the more pinky one that's in the 35B, and we're gonna go a little deeper into the crease. I'm gonna go ahead and do my half circle cut crease with my Maybelline favorite concealer, and I'm just gonna fill it in, you know, so then I can go ahead and add the colors onto it. We're gonna start by putting the yellow like right near the crease. Then we're gonna put the red actually on the lash line, and we're gonna use the two oranges. We're gonna mix them and we're gonna apply them in between the red and the yellow. Just watch and learn. Off camera, I'm gonna put my Kiss number 11 lashes, and I'll be right back. So now we're gonna start with primer using the Benefit's POREfessional primer. Sorry, we're gonna apply it on the areas where we have pores. So for me, it's my nose and my cheeks, and a little under my eyes.
For foundation, I'll be taking my usual Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundation, just putting it all over my face. And today I was gonna blend it with a beauty blender. Well, I am gonna blend it with a beauty blender. To conceal my whole face and my under eyes, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and we're just going to put it under the eyes and on the center of my face. I'm also going to take my NYC powder and prepare it so that when I'm done blending my under eyes, then I can go and set it. As you can see, it's going to look like I'm going to bake it, but then I'm just going to press in the powder so it's not going to sit there. To add some color back to my face, I'm going to use the same old thing, Maybelline Better Skin Superstay Powder in the shade Natural Beige. I'm just going to put it all over my face as usual. It's going to give my skin a little bit of color after being kind of washed out with the translucent powder. I'm going to do my lower lash line using the same shades off camera, and I'll be right back. Now for highlight, I'll be taking my Maybelline Master Chrome highlight in the shade 100 Molten Gold, and I'm going to highlight my face until I blind all of my non-existent haters. Watch me go. For blush, I'm going to take the very warm shade from the e.l.f. blush palette in the shade Light, and it's just going to complement the very warm eye extremely well. For lips, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the shade Heroine. I'm going to put it on the very center of my lips, blend it out with my fingers, but then I'm going to go with this orange from the 35B palette, and I'm going to fill in the rest of my lips to match the eye, because I didn't have any lipstick that would actually match this eye, so that's what I did. And then I added the Maybelline Life's Peach Gloss on top of it just to make it an actual lip color.
This is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, because it really helps me out a lot. It helps me differentiate videos you really like from videos you might not like as much, so I know what to do for you guys, so you guys can watch, you know, because I really love you and I care about you. Also, if you have any comment, question, or concerns, even insults, you know what, let's just put it out there. Just comment in the comment section down below, because I would love to have your opinion on things, what you want to see me do, how you felt about this tutorial. If you recreate it, don't forget to tag me everywhere on Instagram and on Twitter. I will see it, and I want to see my little babies, you know, create really pretty looks. So if you want to be my pretty babies, then just, you know, just do that. If you like me, my personality, or the content I put up on YouTube, then feel totally free to subscribe to this channel. We would absolutely love for you to join us. Very nice. We're empowering. We love makeup. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media, such as Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. Put my Snapchat snap code right here so you guys can screenshot. Who's happy about the update? Views are cut by like 70%. Personally, I don't care. I'll still be posting on Snapchat. So, yeah, you can add me on Snapchat if you still desire to do so. But if Snapchat has literally made you so mad about the update, then just don't add me. It's fine. I don't mind anymore. So yeah. Again, I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's very I can't even speak. some people don't realize how much this means to me, but it really truly does mean a lot. We just hit 60 subscribers. I'm just saying, we have like 38, almost, we have 38 or 40 subscribers to gain until we reach the 100 subscriber mark. So I just feel like, you know, join and all. And so thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.